Hello, everyone. Welcome back to the channel. So, in this video, after I go through my intro, what I'm looking at in the market for the day, I'm going to be sharing a really interesting video of a trade that I took last night that was setting up a pattern that, using technical analysis on the futures market, allowed me to realize the pattern and realize a nice profit. And I'll show you after my intro video exactly what I saw. And it's really interesting. So stick around for that towards the end of the video. And before we get into it, hit the thumbs up for me. And if you're new, subscribe. New videos every single day. So this morning, I'm in the charts. I am alerting our Discord and Twitter. Really, really important price levels going on. Yesterday, we broke 418 on the SPY. This was a key level. Now, I have my laptop up here, just looking at certain things. We have the jobs number today at 8:30 Eastern time. They're expecting 1 million jobs. It could be way more than that. So how will the market react? Now, obviously, when this video is uploaded, we will already know. But what I think could happen is, if it is a blowout, like total blowout, there's a chance that the way that the investors and the market will react on the tech side might be negative, because they may think, okay, we're getting back to that jobs number that they're looking for to raise interest rates. So what could be a huge, huge beat might be bad for the overall tech market, because of interest rates rising quicker than, they thought. That is, just what I've seen in the past happen. Now, that also, if it's a big beat like that, it could be really good for the bank stocks, the financials, all the Dow Jones stocks, because it is suggesting that, okay, the economy is ripping and roaring. So we'll see what happens with that. We broke 418 on the SPY. This was a key level to break. We could be looking at all-time highs today. The Qs, I also already alerted, it double topped at 333. So 333 now becomes a key level to break. It's close to that. I could pull it up here. It's trading just under that now. It's pre-market. It's only 6 o'clock in the morning. A lot can happen by the time this video is made until it's uploaded this afternoon at some point. So getting into that, today won't be an active day trading day for me. I'm going to be at my other business, so I won't be able to be behind the screens. Throughout the day, I'll check into our Discord. I'll pull up a couple charts from my phone. But as I said, I don't trade from work and I don't trade from my phone. These are rules that I have to abide by. So I will not be able to trade today. And I also am not trading before 8 a.m. So I have a quick little window there after 8 a.m. If something pops up, I might jump in. But if not, then today might just be a day that I don't take any trades, which is fine. It's been a while since that happened. Yesterday I finished up, I think it was, $17, $18 in the green. And I'm going to actually show a video after this of a perfect futures trade that I took last night at about 10 o'clock, 10 p.m. or so on the futures market. And I want to show you how it followed perfectly a pattern from the day before. So I want to show you guys how important technical analysis is and how you can profit off of it by following these patterns. So that's what I'm going to show after this video when I share my screen. But before I do, hit that thumbs up for me. It helps the channel grow. I'm going to link in the description all the social medias and our Discord, a great group. So, yeah, getting right to sharing the screen. Okay, guys, so this is super interesting, okay? This is identifying a pattern and taking advantage of it. So this is the futures market, the S&P 500 futures. This is the time period last night around 9 p.m. to 10 p.m. where I took the futures trade because I noticed that last night's setup, what you see here, was exactly the setup from the night before. Now, patterns often repeat, especially in the stock market. Most trading is done by computers, so they follow these patterns. If you can find the patterns, you can profit off of them. And this is why I love technical analysis. So this is last night. I'm showing you the trade. I got in here for almost a 2-point win here, okay? And it was, I sat through it for a little while. I was waiting for the setup. I got in a little early. What I didn't lock in was the 2200 right here was the high. And I'll show you from the night before, it's exactly the same time that it double topped. So anyway, I sat through this a little bit and then I took my profit here. I left money on the table, but at this time, it's now past 10 and I want to go to sleep. And I'm not going to leave the trade open because then it comes back up against you and it's already at 42.05, which would be well above this area. So scalping that was nice. And I'll show you the night before. This is just wild stuff. So we go back to the night before. Picture perfect. From 20, which is 8 p.m., it goes up, hits its high, and then double tops at exactly the same time, 2200. So I noticed this setup, the run up to the high, this little U, the double top, and then the retracement or the sell-off. This is more of a sell-off. Last night was more of a retracement. So this is the night before. I noticed this, and then we pull it back to last night. The exact same setup at 22, and then the sell-off or the retracement back to VWAP. Guys, if this is not proof enough that computer algorithms are trading and day traders, right, are trading these exact patterns, I don't know what else I can possibly show you guys, but if you identify the patterns with technical analysis, you can profit more and become consistently profitable. So that was the trade I took, and I'm very happy and grateful to take that profit out of the market from something that I noticed. And that's what feels great about profiting in the stock market. It's not like a gambling or just a total gamble. You actually do research, due diligence, and technical analysis, and that could make you money. So that was what we did last night. And today, I have very specific rules. So I am not going to be taking any trades before 8 a.m. Eastern time. So from 7 to 8, it's been killing me lately. I've just been getting totally eaten up by the gappers not holding up and no follow through after the initial move. So yeah, just gonna wait it out from 7 to 8, sit on my hands. Today won't be an active trading day like I had said earlier. I will be at my other business. So guys, I hope you enjoyed this video and I hope you learned something. Learning these patterns is really important if you want to be day trading, especially in the futures market, and trading indexes and the SPY and Qs. So hit the thumbs up for me. If you're new, subscribe, and I will see you guys back on the next video. Take care, everyone.